Hi friends, welcome to Python Programming with Akash. I hope that you have been doing well. Today we will see how to generate the table of a number provided by the user. Let's start now. First, we need to see the problem at hand. We need to generate the table of a number that the user will provide as input. On the left, we see the output that we want to generate. I have assumed that the user has input the number as 5. On the right, we will have the program to generate that output. So initially, we will take a variable, here n, in which we will store the value provided by the user. Now, let's very carefully observe what we actually want to display in the output already shown on the left. We want the first line to appear like 5 into 1 equal to 5 and the second line to appear like 5 into 2 equal to 10 and so on and so forth up to 5 into 10 equal to 50. Here, in all these lines that we want to generate as the output, the number 5, actually n here, followed by the mathematical multiplication sign are fixed. So these two can be printed by giving arguments n as a variable and x as a string to the print function. So the command becomes print n into or small x, where into or small x are given as string. This statement has to be executed multiple times to generate output as shown on the left. So we will use for loop for that, but we will see it in the next step. After the two fixed values in each line that we just talked about, there comes a number which is changing in each line of the output. For the first line it's 1, for the second line it's 2, and going on like this, for the 10th line it is 10. This changing value we need to generate through the range function. For this, we will give the arguments as 1, 11 to our range function, and the for loop variable I in this case will eventually contain that changing value. So, with the for loop and the range function, the command becomes for I in range 1, 11. Now, to display this changing value along with the previous fixed values, the print command becomes print n into I, where into is given as a string. Next, again take a look at the output. After printing the number, the mathematical multiplication sign and the changing value, there comes the mathematical equal to sign which remains fixed. Therefore, it can be printed by giving the argument of equal to sign as a string to the print function. So the print command now changes to print n into I equal to, where into and equal to are given as strings. After that, we have the actual value generated by the multiplication of the multiplicand and the multiplier. The multiplicand is n and the multiplier is already generated by the range function, which will be provided to the loop variable I in this case. So we can display that value by giving n star I as the argument to our print function. So the print command becomes print n into I equal to n star I, where into and equal to are given as strings to the print function. So this is the program, and let us see this in Python ideally now. I already have a file open. Let's write the program and execute it. N equal to int input enter the number whose table you want to generate for I in range 1, 11, print n into I equal to n star I. Let me save it and run it. I will put a value of 5 here. So we are getting the correct output. I hope that you are able to understand everything explained in this video, but in case you have some doubts, do let me know in the comment section. I will surely come back to resolve your issues. I would want you to do something for me now. Click the like button and also subscribe to my channel. There is also a notification bell alongside the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit that too. I will be back with more learning and more videos. Until then, stay tuned. Thanks for watching and have a great day.